More power, half the noise. AirCat presents the most significant advances in the performance of pneumatic power tools for over 30 years. Patented innovations like our double-seal lubrication-free motor, anti-vibration technology, and advanced silencing design have allowed AirCat to set the standard for quality in the air tool market. The AirCat technology reduces weight, noise, and vibration while making more power and extending the tool life. AirCat has introduced a full line of lubrication-free sanders that incorporate the latest engineering concepts and advanced materials. With a choice of 19 models to choose from, we have the most durable power sanders available to professionals. The AirCat smooth design throttle lever and grip featured in our orbital sanders provide unmatched operating comfort. You'll notice the difference right away. The AirCat 6700 series has a variety of application-specific and practical options for every job. Low-profile designs, variable speed controls, and vac options enable you to customize your toolbox to get the job done with no need for oiling. Our design eliminates dust contamination. The 6700 series allows the operator to work with superior efficiency. Consuming only 1.6 CFM and 6.2 CFM under load, they power through big jobs quietly at only 78 decibels. Low weight and extremely ergonomic, vibration has also been significantly reduced. The 6700 series are available in non-vac, self-vac, and central vac options. The 6700 JBS 332 is ideal for final sanding, finishing, and pre-polishing with its 7.75 by 2.75 inch rectangle hook and loop pad. Our lineup of 6-inch and 8-inch geared sanders are designed to see you through the toughest jobs. The 6G, 8G, and 6G CV and 8G CV are powerful geared sanders capable of removing heavy material and body filler on larger surfaces. At only 3.4 pounds and 4.5 inches tall, these deliver incredible performance and reliability. At AirCat, we create premium tools that put the end user first. We back all of our products with a solid 2-year warranty and inspect every tool before it ships to you. Visit our website to see our extensive range of products or give us a call at 888-424-7228.